Ladies and gents, welcome back. Today I'm giving the truck some more love. It had that big old dent in it when I bought it, so I'm not going to be able to make it perfect, but let's see if we can make it better. So the long-term plan, I was going to get a new bed possibly, but for now I'm just going to climb under there and with a hammer and see if we can sort of fix it. It actually doesn't look so bad on the back side, but I was thinking I'm just going to smack it with a hammer a few times and we'll see if it pops out a little bit. So I got a new idea. This is pushed in a lot, and I'm thinking if I can get the screw jack and that board under there and put pressure on it, it'll push it out. It's worth a try. This is super hillbilly, but it's actually working. And the dent is really coming out. Ay, ay, ay. I guess it's alright for a short-term fix. Well, it's far from perfect, but definitely better than it was before, so we're gonna run it. Till I can find something better. I don't know. Might just slap some paint on it and call it a day. It is a work truck after all, huh? Well guys, I'm super stoked on how that turned out. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's gonna work for now. Got a few other things today done, didn't do a lot of filming, but yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.